B. Draw the graph. Array, wait no. Draw the graph of. Board is clear now. Let us start. In the notebook you draw because this is small graph. Draw the graph of x is equal to 3. Now what is 3? 3 is my constant. 3 is my constant. So this you remember. X is equal to constant. Constant means number. So whenever x is some number, the graph of that x is equal to constant is parallel to y-axis. Is parallel to y-axis. So this you remember. X is equal to constant. X is equal to constant is a line. Wait no. Let me give the basic concept. No, x is equal to constant is a line. Is a line parallel to y-axis. Is a line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis, passing through. This concept I have to introduce. No. X is equal to constant is a line parallel to y-axis, passing through the point. Passing through the point constant comma 0. Y coordinate will be 0. Constant comma 0. This you remember. Passing through the point this you write because this is the basic concept which I will not be writing for other problems. So only for this problem I am writing x is equal to 3, which is constant. Constant means it is a number. So whenever x is constant, the graph of that will always be parallel to y-axis, and the graph of that line will pass through the point constant comma 0. X coordinate will be that constant and y coordinate will be 0. So if you see this, x is equal to 3. If you plot the graph of x is equal to 3, wait, this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. X dash, y dash. This is my origin, correct? Now x is equal to 3. 3 is a constant. 3 is a constant. So x is equal to 3. Now x is, what is the sign of 3? Tell me, what is sign of 3? Plus, no. Sign of 3 is positive. So the graph of that line will be, the graph, not first quadrant, first and fourth quadrant. The graph of that line will be parallel to y-axis. Because x is positive, it will be on this side. When x is negative, it will be on this side. Now x is equal to 3 is a line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. So we draw the line parallel to y-axis. Any line parallel to y-axis passing through the point, because x is equal to constant is line parallel to y-axis. X is, what is sign of x? Positive. So that parallel line will be on this side. When x is negative, that parallel line will be on this side. So passing through 3 comma 0. So 1, 2, and this is 1 comma 0. This is 2 comma 0. This is 0 comma 0. And this is 3 comma 0. Constant comma 0. No. X is 3. So 3 constant comma 0. So this is my line. So this is the graph of x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Sum is over. Is a line parallel to y-axis passing through 3 comma 0. So now 3 comma 0 is a point on x-axis because y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0, so it is a point on x-axis. Now second, x will be minus 3. Minus 3 means on this side. Are you getting? Yes. X is equal to minus 3 will be on the other side. But this you remember, x is equal to constant is line parallel to y-axis. X is equal to constant means number, is a line parallel to y-axis. This basic result you have to remember. x is equal to constant is line parallel to y axis. Now which one, tell me? Fourth one is same. Let me do. Array, my dear, you will simplify. See, 2x minus 7 is 0, correct? 2x minus 7 is 0, so that will give you 2x. So x is equal to 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means 3.5. So now the same thing, x is equal to 3. Instead of 3, it is 3.5. Same way you can draw. That is what I am telling. No, let me do eighth one. Eighth one. Let me do eighth one. Further part you will do 3y plus 5. Where x is, my dear, where x is 0, tell me. X is 0, where x is 0? All the point on y axis. No, all the point on y axis x are 0, no. So x is equal to 0 is nothing but my y axis. Then all the points on x axis has y coordinate 0. So y is equal to 0 is nothing but my x axis. 3y plus 5 is 0, so that will give you 3y is equal to minus 5. So y is equal to minus 5 by 3. Now minus 5 by 3 is a constant. Yes. So now you have y is equal to constant. So you have to use the basic result. No, you keep as it is. Y is equal to constant. Y is equal to constant is a line parallel to x axis. Is a line parallel to x axis. Is a line parallel to x axis. Y is equal to constant is line parallel to x axis, passing through the point 0 comma constant, because y is equal to constant, so passing through the point 0 comma constant. So now my constant is minus 5 by 3. Yes. So my constant is minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3 means how much? You divide minus 5 by 3. That will be, yes, y is equal to minus 5 by 3. No, you can divide. That is minus 1 point. Then it is 2. 1.6. Correct? 1.666. 1.67. So now you can plot the graph of this. So y is equal to constant. So this is my x dash, and this is y dash. This is my origin O 0 comma 0. Now y is equal to constant is a line parallel to x axis. But what is sign of y? Negative. What is sign of y? Negative. So it will be negative y axis. Where y is negative? Where y is negative? Where y is negative? Y is negative below x axis. This side y is negative, no? This side y is positive, this side y is negative. So I will take y downward because y is having minus sign. So this is minus 1, somewhere minus 0 comma minus 1. Because all the point on y axis has x coordinate 0. Next it will be 0 comma minus 2. Wait, no, 0 comma minus 2. Now minus 1.67 lies between them. 0 comma minus 1.67 will lie between them. Now I will draw a line parallel to x axis. I will draw a line parallel to x axis passing through this. I will draw a line parallel to x axis passing through this. So this is my line, y is equal to minus 5 by 3. We draw a line parallel to x axis passing. This is 0 comma minus 1.67, because see, where is this point? On y axis. Y axis, above that we have 0 comma minus 1. Now y it is 0 comma minus 1, y coordinate is minus 1. but this is the point on y-axis, so x coordinate will be 0. All the point on y-axis has x coordinate 0. So in fact it is minus 1. Minus 1 means 0 comma minus 1. Next it is minus, after minus 1 it will be minus 1.67. Yes. Huh? Nah, wait. If you not understood, wait. Let me explain. 1 minute. Just now, wait, no. See, where is, if you have not understood this, see this part. Minus 1.67. Just now you said how you have drawn this here. Minus 1.67. Correct? This is the line which we have to draw. Now to check whether minus 1.67 lies between these two lines, that we have to see. Now see, 1 is less than 1.67, yes or no? 1 is less than 1.67. Now when you take the minus sign on both sides, the inequality reverse. So minus 1 is greater than minus 1.67. Minus 1 is bigger than, so minus 1 is bigger than, minus 1 is bigger than minus 1.67. That means minus 1 is bigger. So minus 1.67 is smaller. So it will lie between 0 and minus 1. So 0 comma minus 1.67. Are you getting? It will lie between 0 and minus 1. Are you getting? Yes. So y is equal to minus 5 by 3. हाँ. So this is 0 comma, see minus 1 is bigger, so minus 1 will be on this side, minus 1, 0 comma minus 1.67 as we have written earlier. Are you getting? Minus 1 will be there, minus 1 will be there and minus 1.67 will be there. Are you getting? After 0, which number will be there? Minus 1, no? Yes? Huh. Minus 1 is greater than minus 1.67. So between minus 1 and minus 2 there will be minus 1.67. Now we'll do the second question. Now see, for see here, for second onwards, to plot the graph of all the last sum, which one? Which one last one? Now let us do, let us do eighth one. Let us do eighth one. 3x plus 2y is 0. 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. Now see here. To plot the graph of this straight line, this is, we have reached to eighth one. 3x plus, My dear, if you understand 8, automatically you will be able to solve that. So try to understand this part. Wait. 3x plus 2y is 0. To plot the graph of this straight line, this will be straight line because power of x is 1, power of y is 1. So it is a straight line. Now to plot the graph of this straight line, we need to find 3 points. We need to find 3 points in this. We find 3 points. So first we have x. We have x. Then we have y. X, y, and then we have the points. We have the points. Below we write points. X, y, and we write the point. We need to find 3 points in this. This you remember. Now first you can take any value of x. First I will put x as 0. First I will put x as 0 and solve this. What will be y? Yes. Tell me. What will be y? Y will be 0. When x is 0, you can write 3 into 0 plus 2y 0. 3 into 0, 0, 0 plus 2y 0. So 2y 0, you will get y is equal to 0. So when x is 0, we get, yes, you can take one point as 0. You can see, basically to plot the graph of this straight line, we need to find 3 points. You can take any value of x. No. You can take any value of x and get the value of y. So when x is 0, y is 0, the point we take as a, 0, 0. The point A we take 0, 0. 0, 0 is nothing but my origin. Now next, what is next value of x? Next value of x, you can take x as 1. Next value of, you can take any value of x, no, you can take any value of x. 4 also, then you will get a bigger number. When you will take x as 4, you will get a bigger number. See, when x is 4, see, because this is 2y, this is 3x. Any value of y, any value of x you can take x as, yes, no problem. If you take x as 4, chalo, take x is 4. X is 4, then it is 12. 12 plus 2y 0. 12 plus 2y 0. So you will get 2y is equal to minus 12. So y is equal to minus 6. Very good. So this is minus 6y. So the point we take A, 4 comma minus 6. Yes, negative also. It can be negative also. You can take one point as, now you take x as 0 we have taken, 4 we have taken. You can take this as 1, then yes, you can take x as 1. You can take one negative also, no problem. If you take x as minus 1, okay, x as minus 1, then what you will get? Minus 3, yes, minus 3 plus 2y is equal to 0. So 2y is equal to 3. 3 upon 2, that is 1.5, correct? My dear, you have to take 3 values of, you have to select 3 values of x. For those 3 values of x, you get 3 values of y. So for each value of x, you will get one value of y. So when you will get the value of x and y, you will get 1 point. Similarly, take next value of x. That is by inspection, you can take any value. Next value of x, 4, you will get the value of y, you get another point. Now when x is minus 1, y is 1 by 5, no. What is that? 3 by 2, 1.5. So you will get the point B, which is minus 1 comma 1.5. Now we have all the 3 points. Now we plot these 3 points on the graph paper. You will get the straight line. To plot a straight line, we need to find 3 points. To find those 3 points, we consider a suitable value of x. Get the value of y by solving the equation. So we consider 3 different values of x. For 3 different values of x, we get 3 different values of y. We get the point ABC. So now this is my x-axis, O, x dash, this is my O origin, 0, 0 is my origin, and this is y, y dash. Okay. So O we have plot. Now A, 4 comma minus 6. X is 4. X is 4, no. So this is 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0, and this is x is 4, 4 comma 0, x is 4. So this you remember, x is 4, y is minus 6. Yes, y is minus 6. So where is y minus 6, tell me? Yes, downward. And see, any point which lies on y-axis has x coordinate 0. So this is 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma minus 2, 0 comma minus 3, 0 comma minus 4, 0 comma minus 5, and 0 comma minus 6. So y is minus 6, x is 4, x is 4, x is 4, and y is minus 6. Join this. X is 4, y is minus 6. So this is my point B. Minus 4, comma, sorry, x B is 4 comma minus 6. This is my point B, 4 comma minus 6. Then erase this dotted line. Yes. Now, so sorry, this is A. A, we have plot A O. Huh? A no, 4 comma minus 6. No. We have to plot the B also, no. B, x is minus 1. So where x is minus 1? On this side. So this is minus 1 comma 0. Any point on x-axis has y coordinate 0. This you remember. So x is minus 1. Then y is plus 1.5. So y is plus. What is sign of y? Plus. So upper side. This is 0 comma 1. This is 0 comma 1. 12 plus 2y. See, when you put x is equal to 4 in this, when you put x is equal to 4, 4 into 3 is 12, 12 plus 2y is 0. When x is 4, you will get this. So between 1 and 2, we have 1.5. So 0 comma 1.5. So now we join this. You will get x is minus 1 and y is 0, y is 1.5. So this is my point B. This is my point B. Minus 1 comma, B is minus 1 comma, minus 1 comma 1.5. Minus 1 comma 1.5 is my B. Correct? Now join the point. Now join the point OAB. Join all the 3 points. Join with the help of scale. You join all the 3 points. You will get the straight line. You will get the straight line. So this is my straight line. This is my straight line. This is my straight line. 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. So 3x plus 2y is a straight line passing through 3 points B, O, A. So to plot the straight line, you need to find 3 points. You can take any 3 points, any 3 values of x. There is no restriction. You can take any 3 values of x. For those 3 values of x, you get the corresponding value of y. For each value of x, you will get the corresponding value of y. You will get 1 point, get second point, get third point. Now plus those 3 points. 9th one. Which one 9th one? X is equal to minus 2. Arey my dear, it is 9th. What is there? X is equal to minus 2y. Which one? No. Now you tell me which one I should do. See, x is equal to minus 2y. No, 9th one. X is equal to minus 2y, correct? You take 2y on the other side. Yes. That's what. Why? If you know how to solve this, then how many problem I will solve? It is better. Let me solve third second. No, third second. Wait. See, all are same. My dear, ninth one you are given x is equal to minus 2y. So x plus 2y is equal to 0. Now solve this, get 3 points. Get 3 points. What there? Now any 3 points. So it is better third, second let me solve. Arey my dear. My dear, same thing. Y is equal to, second, y is equal to 2 by 3x minus 1. So now let us solve this. First you simplify. So y is equal to 2x. Now cross multiply. 2x minus 3. You take LCM. 2x minus 3 upon 3. So 3y is equal to 2x minus 3. 3y. Cross multiply. So you will get 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y is equal to 3. So this is my equation which we get. How minus 3 will come? We are taking 3y on this side and 3 on the other side. Are you getting? So now we plot this. So now we need to find 3 points. We need to that only. Yes. You have to find a point, no? So first x, then y, x, y, wait, no. First we write x, then we write y. Chalo, theek hai. Now we have the points. In this we have points. So x, y and the point. Let me write point on this side. X, y and the points. And the point x, y. So now let us take 3 values of x. Yes, let us take 3 values of x. For 3 values of x, get 3 values of y. No need of first box. X, y. Yes. First you take the value of x as 0. When you put x 0, what you get? When x is 0, solve this. Yes. When x is 0, what you will get? When x is 0, you will get 2 into 0 minus 3y is equal to 3. So 0 minus 3y is equal to 3. So y is equal to minus 1. So you will get y is equal to minus 1. So the corresponding point you will get A, 0 comma minus 1. So you get the first point. You have got the first point 0 comma minus 1. Yes. Now take another value of x. Take x. Yes. Take x as. What you want? Take x as 2. Chalo. Take x. Take x as 2. When x is 2, you will get 4 minus 3y. 4 minus 3y is equal to 3. So, no, how? Minus 7. So, 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to 3y. Are you getting? So, 1 upon 3 is equal to y. So, 1 upon 3. So, y is, let it be, y is 1 upon 3. So, you get the point B, 2 comma 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is same as 0.33, yes. So y is 0.33, correct. So now get another point. Let us take one negative value. When x is minus 1. When x is minus 1. When x is minus 1, solve this. X is minus 1, so 2 into minus 1. Minus 3y is equal to 3. Minus 3 is equal to minus 3y is equal to 3. So minus 3 is equal to 3y. So minus 6 is equal to 3y. So y is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. So you get the point C, minus 1 comma minus 2. Now immediately plot these 3 points on the graph paper. Now we plot these 3 points on the graph paper. We get the straight line. So you have to consider you have to find 3 points to plot the graph of, yes, yes. Straight line will be there because in your course only it is up to straight line, no other curve. So first it is 10 standard different curves will come. Y dash, x dash. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Wait, no, I have not done anything. अरे रुक, let me complete. नहीं रुको. अरे my dear, wait. Don't go anywhere. No bye. I will not say bye to it. There is no bye. Why?